Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very stylish, funky, creative and amazing in itself, and my video is in the continuation of my previous videos into which I have been sharing a very beautiful, stylish and creative ideas that how you could look classy, stylish, and at the same time you can take care of your health issues, because COVID is a term or a can say that have been affecting human community massively day by day. So by wearing masks, this is the only possibility through which we can take care of ourselves, and this is also a treat for the ones who are lovers of hand embroidery, or they are artists and they are in search of very creative, stylish and easy to make, less effort and less time required hand embroidery patterns for face masks or many more creative DIY stuffs. So this video is, my dear friends, absolutely for you. If you have any further queries or any questions, then comment below, and if you are new, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And the beauty of this is you can change the filter paper design as well, with inner filter pocket, with adjustable and removable filter pocket, and many more new creativities as well. So guys, do try these patterns at home, and if you want to get more stylish, trendy and amazing ideas on daily basis, then do follow us, watch our videos on daily basis, because on the daily basis we try our best to share more creative ideas with you. So stay blessed and meet you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, take care.